This song, The Galway Girl, was written by Steve Earle, and it's an essential song to know for any party or sing-along, as somebody will surely sing it at some stage during the evening or night. I'm playing it in the key of D, and the chords are D major, G major, A major, A7 and B minor. The strum pattern for the song is really a matter of feel, as there are a number of ways to strum along, and you would probably incorporate a couple of different styles or a couple of different patterns. It's in 4/4 time, and one of the most basic strum patterns for the song will be 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and where you're strumming down for the 1 beat, and then 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Another strum pattern that would work would be 2 down strums on the 1 and the 2 beat, 1, 2 and then 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and down, 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 up, down, up. Another strum pattern which I used a lot when I was playing the song earlier is to pick the one beat, pick the string, pick a bass string, the root note, down strum, 2, followed by an alternate bass on the 3 beat, which is the 5th string in this case, and then strum 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can vary that also by introducing some up picks, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2. As I said, you will probably incorporate some of those patterns and maybe even some of your own to accompany the song.